Today's agenda, we will spend a brief slide on how Claraview helps our customers, and then we're going to jump right into our Omni-Channel Integration solution. We'll be reviewing it at a high level, the different components. It will be followed by a deeper dive into the data model and how we process the data. We'll review some case studies. We'll talk about a typical engagement, and as mentioned before, we'll save some time for questions at the end. Claraview specializes in end-to-end business intelligence. We offer a full range of services from strategic services to design, implementation. Today we'll be talking about our omni-channel solution. And we also provide platform services. So well after a program or application has been developed, our ability to support that and manage through change, not only on a technical side, but also on a business side for organizations. There are more details on claraview.com if any of these other service offerings interest you, but let's focus on omnichannel integration. As consumers and customers, we see and feel this every day. There are too many ads, too much noise and marketing in our daily lives, and it takes something unique to break through and get us as consumers to change our behavior. For advertisers and B2C organizations, this is also a huge problem. Marketing channels continue to evolve with customer preferences. A multi-channel marketing approach is the norm, as well as the need to speak in one voice across these channels. The need to measure impact and effectiveness of marketing efforts is paramount. Often in a single organization, there are competing campaigns and disconnected channels generating massive amounts of data that, left unchecked, result in suboptimized experiences and spend inefficiencies. Marketing budgets are constrained, and consumers are tuning out more and more advertising every single day. And as mentioned before, the silo data problem creates a challenge to determine what's really working. At Claraview, we have developed a solution to integrate, organize, and analyze this data. In our experiences across data sources, analytical methods, and the tools and technologies that make it all happen, allow us to create a compelling solution that's available to you. The genesis for this particular solution started back in 2008. We developed a data warehouse and BI capabilities for a really interesting e-commerce company called Delivery Agent. What's interesting about them is that they provide e-commerce capabilities for many of the leading media and sports organizations of the world, such as ABC, NBC, CBS, etc. So for example, if I go to NBC.com and I click on the Shop tab, it takes me to a site hosted by Delivery Agent. In addition to purchase, customer, product, and email data, they wanted us to bring in and integrate detailed data from Omniture. The idea was simple. They could promote to me based on the fact that I just purchased one of their top sellers without knowing that I maybe have purchased the gift for my sister. They could also cross-promote anything that was interesting to me based on my browse behavior. Around that same time, Delivery Agent asked us to develop this capability for them. We had almost a dozen other clients ask us for almost exactly the same thing. They wanted to help bring in their web analytics data in on-prem and integrate with their existing data warehouse and marts, so that they could begin to combine the customer, product, content, and transactional information. When we heard that for about the 10th time, we decided that it was something that we needed to pay attention to, and that became the origin of our solution. The first component of our omni-channel analytics solution is the integration of web analytics, as mentioned earlier. Most organizations talk about a 360-degree view of the customer, but unless you are integrating the detailed interaction data from all channels, online and offline or digital and analog, you're really not there. The web analytics component of our solution integrates customer-level interaction data from online and offline sources. Most often, the offline sources are already in your existing data warehouse, and it enables analytics such as lookalike modeling, path to conversion across channel, and SEO optimization that accounts for offline conversion. Our digital marketing analytics component is a natural progression from web analytics. You get additional insight into your customers by adding the web analytics data, and then get even more by integrating data from digital marketing sources like on-site and off-site ad tracking and marketing metadata. Again, the goal is similar: get a more complete view of the customer so that we can improve targeting and drive higher ROI from the marketing spend. For example, if I signed up for a checking account with Bank A, is it because I received an email campaign from the bank? When I typed in checking account in Google, was it the first link that came up from a search ad? Or was it a banner ad promo that I saw on Yahoo Finance? Which of these interactions, or what combination of these interactions, ultimately got me to sign up for the checking account? That is the million-dollar question that most marketers are trying to answer in today's digital world. So here's a look at the solution at the 10,000-foot level. The left-hand side represents various data sources, most importantly the website tagging and tracking data from solutions like Omni-Channel, and the rest are sources within the client's environment that we would typically integrate the web analytics data with: product, customer, email, orders, call center, etc. The parts within the orange box are what we have pre-packaged as part of our solution. We have pre-developed ETL in Hadoop and have the flexibility to leverage other proprietary integration technologies with the goal of integrating your web analytics data into your on-prem data warehouse environment. Our data model includes all the typical web constructs such as visitor, session, page views, and also has hooks for the integration of other data such as the customer dimension or the product hierarchy. And finally, we have an entire suite of reports and dashboards that enable the visualization and analysis of this integrated data. We offer those reports in MicroStrategy and Tableau out of the box. And again, the goal with all this pre-packaging is to accelerate the value that can be derived from that integrated data. We believe business benefits from our solution will be in 4 areas. 1, improved customer experience. We are able to understand customer behaviors across all channels and honor their preferences. 2, improve measurement and reporting. As we get closer to a true 360-degree view of the customer, our insights and analytics are more accurate and actionable. 3, new analytical techniques and targeting models that will improve sales. And 4, since our solution is prepackaged and configurable, your time and cost to analysis and action are greatly reduced. Let's take a deeper look at the conceptual data model and the data processing flow. Many of us know this already, that customer interaction data across multiple channels is messy. It happens over time, and what we know now can change based on new information that we learn. Each one of these interactions offers a piece of the puzzle, and the data can be integrated over time, but you need processing and structures that can allow that to happen. Our data model provides a structure to integrate the data, and our processing is designed to account for the pieces of information that become known over time. Integrating and reconciling these pieces of information is what forms the complete picture. Our identity registry and integrated contact history also provide analytics such as customer experience path to conversion, product and customer segment sales funnels, and marketing attribution. The environment is designed to integrate with the client's on-prem EDW to enable both accurate and actionable analytics. Let's look at the data model and flow of information. We're looking at a conceptual data model for our solution. This is the vision that we wish to enable. While each client is different and has unique priorities and challenges, our framework allows us to quickly identify areas of opportunity. In the orange, we evaluate core dimensional data and look to integrate this data via standard ETL processes to enable flexibility and transparency. In blue, existing sources will be reconciled and used together with that dimensional data across marketing channels, placements, products, and assets. In orange, we look to categorize and stage interaction data for processing. Together, we define trigger events that can be shared with real-time decision platforms. In blue, sources are date time-stamped, sessionized, and standardized by interaction type. This data may also be enriched with key dimensional data to support source-specific analytics. In orange, digital identities are associated to leverage the strongest possible linkage over time. We also maintain an identifier history to enable periodic updates. Together, these two elements are called our identity registry. It provides a reconciliation of identifiers that are found across online and offline channels and enables a more complete picture of a customer to perform analytics such as path to conversion. In blue, select interactions are loaded into the integrated contact history. related to product level engagement stage, sessionized across sources, and maintained in a contact history based on data retention rules. Back to Orange, our integrated contact history will capture and relate interactions in the context of an individual, product, and asset, and categorize this data consistently to enable holistic analysis of customer engagement. This collection of important customer activity enables funnel, pathing, and attribution. In blue, customer profiles may also be enriched with outputs from the analytic rules engine. Select outputs may be promoted to marketing applications and EDW level reporting. So, in summary, we organize and integrate data across channels to create a more complete picture of a customer's relationship with an organization. And the resulting data and structures allow analytical use cases that drive business value and customer experience improvements. Just a few examples of these include path to conversion analysis irrespective of channel, and marketing attribution to improve overall spend efficiencies. Let's take a look at a few case studies where we have implemented this solution. Our work with a top media and entertainment site aligned customer, clickstream, and display advertising analytics. Expanded reporting and analytical capability for marketing analysts included additional customer and marketing attributes and subject areas. This integration aligned reporting and KPI measurement across two internal teams, marketing and finance. For a global financial services firm, we were able to enable analysis on path to credit card applications. Analysts are able to leverage different attribution models to optimize their marketing spend and improve sales forecasting. For this online-offline retailer, we linked emails to offline sales. Through this analysis, they were able to optimize their email campaigns to more efficiently drive sales both online and offline. Another online retailer, we were able to link search marketing to online sales. The pilot solution provided marketers with a framework for modeling unstructured customer behavior across various interactions to meet their business goals. For this online investing brokerage, we enabled omni-channel marketing and attribution analytics. Integrated data improved accuracy of their campaigns, better ROI, and deeper customer insights. So what does a typical engagement look like? The overall engagement approach is grouped into 4 different areas: data profiling, ETL, data modeling, and analytics. And scope is determined by the number of analytical use cases we are to support and certainly the number of data sources. We configure our data model, our ETL, and our reports to meet your specific requirements, but we find that our prepackaged solution saves several months on the rollout of this particular solution and gets you up and analyzing and taking action sooner than you could with internal resources. So there you have it, Claraview's Omni-Channel Integration solution. If you have additional questions or would like to go a little bit deeper on any of the use cases or our particular approach, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Claraview account executive or visit us on claraview.com.